Some crypto skeptics might now worry that now that the SEC has a pro crypto chair, we might see a big new wave of fraudulent behavior, similar to what we experienced back in 2022 and 2023 with events like the collapse of FTX. So I'm curious to get your insight on this view, especially given your law background and extensive experience in the U.S. Attorney's Office in the San Francisco Bay Area, focusing on economic crimes.
Yes, well, absolutely. I think it's important to note that some of the prior fraudulent activity was with regard to offshore entities. So, with regulation and creating perimeters and barriers with companies onshore, you're actually creating more regulated products that investors can select rather than investors looking to get into these assets and going offshore, where there's going to be less transparency and there's going to be more possibility of fraud. So I would argue that part of the FTX debacle was because there was a stage of the SEC kind of ignoring crypto entirely. Then you had a stage of the SEC under Gensler engaging in regulation by enforcement. So now creating measured, regulated products within the United States ideally will create actually safer products with more transparency, more disclosures with regard to how they work and the inherent risks in those products.